Hey everyone, today we're at a playground, I guess you can say. We have a siren over there. That's definitely a halftime siren, isn't it? Because there's a sports ground here as well.
Yeah.
What's the name of this town?
The Thundra.
Pardon?
The
Mathundra?
Thundra.
Thundra?
Yeah.
There are bathrooms there, but there's no hand dryer, sadly. Not sure what make this is. I can actually suppose get closer to it. Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a sports ground. I wonder if this is what powers it. Or if it's this one here. I think this is probably locked. Or not. I wonder if this is the control panel for the siren. Because you can see some buttons in there, as you can see. Yeah, this is the siren control panel, I believe. It looks exactly like one. So that's about it, really, I suppose. And hope you guys enjoyed. There's the siren one more time, right there. So that's about it, really, I suppose. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next episode. Bye.